Find f of x equals mx plus b so that f models the data, where x is the year. Then use f of x to make the requested estimate. The life expectancy for a baby born in 1900 was 48 years, and in 2000 it was 77 years. Estimate the life expectancy in 1970. We are asked to find the linear model, f of x equals mx plus b. The first thing that I like to do when determining a linear model is to write two ordered pairs. They tell us that x is the year. And so then f of x would be the output, in this case the life expectancy. So remembering that our ordered pairs are x and then f of x, input and output. My two ordered pairs are 1900, 48, and 2000, 77. Now that I have two ordered pairs, I can determine the slope of the linear model. Remembering that the slope m can be found by calculating y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, substituting, yields 77, subtract 48 over 2000 minus 1900. Simplifying the numerator, 77 subtract 48 is 29, and 2000 subtract 1900 is 100. And we can simplify this, 29 over 100, we can write that as the decimal number 0.29. So we now have the slope. But remember, we were asked to find the form mx plus b, so we need to determine that form. And I will approach this by going through what is called the point-slope form first. So recall that the point-slope form of a linear function can be written as f of x is equal to m by x minus x1 plus y1, where the x1 and the y1 come from any point on the line and the m is the slope of the line. So, making substitutions, I can write f of x is equal to 0.29 by x minus 1900 plus 48. And that's the point-slope form. However, we were asked for the slope-intercept form. So, I will simplify the right-hand side by applying the distributive property. 0.29 by x is 0.29x minus 0.29 by 1900 is 551 plus 48. Combining the terms negative 551 and 48, we have f of x is 0.29x minus 503. So there's the first part of the problem. We have found the function. Now, we were asked to also estimate the life expectancy in 1970. Well, 1970 is the year, so then we can use the function to evaluate f of 1970. F of 1970 would be 0.29 times 1970, and subtract 503, and going through the calculations, 0.29 times 1970 is 571.3, And then subtracting the 503. Is 68.3. So a conclusion might be that the life expectancy of a baby born in 1970 is 68.3 years.